Hello everyone. Today, we'll compare GeneratePress and Divi, two popular WordPress themes for building websites in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at GeneratePress. GeneratePress is known for its lightweight design and flexibility. It offers a clean code base enhancing user experience and SEO. GeneratePress theme focuses on speed, usability, and accessibility. It offers a variety of customization options, page speed scores, and support. GeneratePress provides seamless integrations and is accessible for all. GeneratePress has also introduced first-ever block-based theme builder and an extensive library of websites. In terms of pricing, GeneratePress offers a yearly plan priced at $59, which provides one-year access to all premium features, and a lifetime plan with one-time payment priced at $249 providing lifetime access to all features. On the other hand, Elegant Themes is a well-known WordPress theme provider that offers the popular Divi theme and the Divi Builder plugin. Divi allows bloggers to create custom layouts and designs. It offers a wide range of pre-designed templates, layouts, elements, and more. Its all products includes Divi theme and Page Builder plugin, magazine theme, email opt-ins, and social sharing. In terms of pricing, Elegant Themes offers two annual plans. First, Divi for $89 offers Divi, premium support, themes, email opt-ins, and sharing. Second, Divi Pro is for $287, also provides Divi AI, Divi Cloud, and Divi VIP. It also offers lifetime subscription term. In summary, both platforms offer powerful features for building websites. If you value speed, simplicity, and flexibility, GeneratePress might be the better choice. But if you prefer a more comprehensive all-in-one solution with a visual builder, Divi could be the way to go. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between both platforms. Thank you for watching.